Hello. I just went for a random YouTube 80s synthwave mix. Oh yeah, I should test. How's everything? How's the lighting? Got to do one thing. Yeah. Yeah, I like the 80s synthwave. I don't know. A good vibe. It's a good I make it's good for instrumentals. It's not good for when you want to mix it with lyrics with Suno. But I like it for an instrumental. Oh, wonder why. Like, oh yeah. Is that better? Or this way? This way. Yeah. For that, yeah, or like, yeah, elevator music, like the Kenny G. Really? I don't feel. I guess maybe you're not getting used to the haircut. I have to look in the camera. There's the camera. Oh. All right. Yeah, me too. It's like relaxing. There's no elevator music in my elevator, but yeah, I'm looking at you, not a camera. Yeah, I'm talking not to a camera. It's kind of weird. So where I left off. Oh, I thought I moved this. Why did this? Oh, maybe I need to refresh. What, the talking into the camera? Where I left off was getting the information into the database, into the Pinecone database, and I did. So my Gong transcripts. So if I look at my 2 index, I should rename this, but this is my annual report index that broke up all the chunk of annual reports into 400 chunks, puts it into this little index, and then I have my Gong transcripts. And so each conversation, what? I don't want to search by ID. Search? ID is required? What? List IDs? Wait, Sec. Browser. Why wouldn't it show all the records? Top 100. So if I just edit this record, this is just like one instance of a, oh wait, it has nothing. All right, well, let's just check another record here and see what's going on here. Okay, so let's just delete this. Delete. Gong transcripts, and we'll just run through it because you didn't get to see it. Oh, it's not found. Then why did you? Let me just refresh this. Okay, yeah, that's why, because it's called Gong. That's weird. I needed to refresh. So each one of these is like a snippet of conversation within the meeting. So you have the participants. I guess there's sometimes it's nothing. Okay, source blah, but then eventually you'll see text. Where is the text? Oh, I have to like show 7 more. Okay, yeah. So if I go here, the text is like, oh, not yet heard. It's fire. I heard it's fire. Thanks, team. This covers our problems head on. It's like, I don't know. I just got fake data, so it may not be indicative, but I have to test the AI agents to kind of mine the good stuff out of these conversations. And so, yeah, it's just broken up. So each one is like a participant, and then it shows whether the speaker is, like who it is, what the role is, and oh, like the speaker type is a customer. So, oh, if I'm gonna want to find something where the speaker type is a customer versus if the speaker type was internal. Yeah. Although, okay, well, I might not separate that. So now that I have my information here, I have to figure out how to use 2 different like indexes for like retrieving the results. So it's like, hey, you're an expert in specializing in corporate strategy from SEC. Well, let me just refresh this if this wasn't. This might have not. Oh yeah, it was. I refreshed it. But I might need to redo this prompt. Oh wait, back. Because when I open this, I have to choose one or the other. I can't choose 2. Or can I have 2 different data stores? Can I just click on plus here? Oh, I can. So I can have 2 side by side. Pinecone data store. So choose. So this one is my Gong retrieval bot. My Gong and Gong is Gong.io. I'll show you what Gong.io is. Gong.io. So this was like, it records like your calls for you. So solutions, Oh, platform. Whatever. Technology. Yeah, so it just like records your calls. Like AI can like transcribe it for you, and it's useful for like businesses, so that you have your conversations. If you ever need to cover your ass when a customer says you said this, and you're like I didn't, then you can like go back and and then you can prove yourself that they're the morons. So yes, that's what Gong is all about. And yeah, so they record those chat transcripts. I asked Grok to give me a transcript in how Gong would provide it in their API. And do you know what an API is? Yeah, so like for every single call that you're on, you would have Gong as like a participant on that call, and it automatically like records everything, and like AI like it does it does a lot of like whiz bam type of things. So, but I like now that I can have two different vector database, like two different tasks. So let me just okay. So this is saved here. Let me just go back because I thought. Wait, is that here? Wait, how does this work? Okay, yeah. So they're both like. I got that one. Let me just edit this one back because I might have. Okay, no, that's fine. And then check. Okay, so this one, I'll just copy and paste it, and then copy from this one and then mold it. Extract and summarize the company's okay, goals, problems, and results from the how's this implementation? From the implementation of customer with our product. Okay. Focusing on objectives, whatever, sustainability, including whatever, that's fine. Any metrics with regards to results. Yeah, maybe I'm going to send this to Grok and see if he can refine my... Grok can refine my thing. Yo! I'm creating an AI agent to go through Gong transcripts. These Gong transcripts are broken into chunks and loaded into Pinecone Vector DB. I would like a prompt to get goals, problems, and results from meetings that can later be put in presentations. What is a good prompt? Here is mine so far. Boom. Let's see what it says. Yeah, Grok is handy. Humans are retarded. You're an expert sales analyst reviewing Gong. No, I wanted to be. Yeah, I'm gonna change this to be customer success analyst. Okay, boom. Let's copy this entirely. Okay, so let's just test it out. Wait. Should this be the prompt for my AI agent or the prompt to retrieve from the vector store? If not the vector store, can you give me that prompt? Yeah, because that's what I'm doing. I'm building what's called a RAG agent. RAG. For the retrieval step, okay. Suggested retrieval query discussion. Okay, just okay. I'll just copy this then. So I'm executing this. Error. Pinecone vector. Oh, okay, because I need to add an embedding model. Yeah, that's why. So I need to do this. And I need to say that my dimensions is 512. And I think now that I go back, it would work. Oh, do I have to stop it? Stop. Execute. RAG. That's the name of the process that I'm doing. Like creating a RAG agent is what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to explain that in my video. I'm not doing a good job right now. Oh, I need to connect a trigger, but wire me up. You are wired up. Oh, do I need to? I need to connect you to there. Open. Can I now run you? Okay, no successful, but I get nothing. Okay, here we go. So I had to put in because this is the account name, right? I put that in there for the namespace, how I organize. So when I'm in Pinecone, all of this is within the namespace Salesforce, which is the customer. But I might have another customer that is Amazon, and they would have their own, like their own indexes with their own information. So it's I can use the setup for multiple customers, not just one. If that makes sense. Sorry I didn't explain RAG very well. Let me ask Grok to explain RAG. Explain RAG agent if I was a 10-year-old. Imagine you doing homework about dinosaurs, but you don't know everything yet. A RAG agent is like your super smart robot buddy who helps you find the best answer super fast. Here's how it works. Step by side, like a treasure hunt. You ask part. You say, tell me about T-Rex. Your robot friend hears you. The hunt part, retrieval. Instead of guessing, the robot zooms to a giant library full of books, maps, and dino facts that a special computer brain called a vector database. It quickly grabs the most helpful pages, like T-Rex had a tiny arms, without reading every book. The mix it up part, the robot takes these fresh facts and mixes them in what it already knows of high school. Its built-in smarts, no more silly mistakes. And then it tells the story. Finally, it writes a fun answer just for you. T-Rex was a huge, scary king of dinos with jaws like a monster truck, but it couldn't pick up a cookie without those little arms. So, did that help what a RAG agent is? I think maybe I'll use the dinosaur example. It's like, you think I'm stupid? So so I just created these like vector databases of different information sources. That was a good stretch. So what do I got here? Type text. Lol, yeah, facilities went overboard. I'll share the QC results. Deck showing there we fell short on demos. Only 60% conversion. Let's plan joint training sessions to boost that to 85%. So, and here's my metadata, like my start time of the meeting. Like, yeah, I have a lot of additional information, like who the speaker was. I should have like the type should be it should say whether it's let me try this again. Execute. There we go. And I think it should, there should be a type of a goal. And then, okay, and then I think it should specify include result type, which is either goal, problem, or results. Goal, problem. I don't know if you should have strategy, because the strategy is like for the problem or whatever, but I'm only caring about these for now. So let's just see if this will. I don't see a result type. Okay, maybe it's not good at doing that. But okay, so now I'll just take here's my big one. So now, like, my AI agent kind of does like the real thing. Like, I guess this is where it kind of groups it. So I need to figure out like a prompt that's going to do like two different things, I guess. That's good, your headache improved. So okay, I'm just gonna ask Grok. So, yo, I have an AI agent that is tied to two different Pinecone data stores that has a couple tasks to do. In annual reports, it gathers corporate goals with the following prompt. And I want to incorporate the one you gave me above in N8N. How do I do that? Can you give me the super prompt? The super prompt? Let's see. Okay, y'all okay, let's just copy this guy. And let's paste it in here. And let's go. My AI agent is going, yeah, it's going through all this info. I'm expecting a lot more output. Yeah, I guess this is it, but I just need to know whether it's a result or not. But, yeah. Um, I'm gonna say this. I want to prioritize the goals from the Gong transcripts over the annual reports. You know, like in terms of priority, and I would like to know the source, whether it came from an annual report or Gong transcript. And what else? And I would like to know whether it is a goal, problem, or result. Yep, got it. Let's see what it does. Thinking. Is this relaxing, by the way? Boom. Let's see what this looks like in looks ugly, but table. Okay, yeah. So now you'll see I got goals from all over. Let's see, I got type goal. Do I have a type result here? I control F result. Yeah, result. Type result and your I don't care about result from I don't care about a result from an annual report. I only care about a result from a I don't care about results from annual reports. Only Gong transcripts. Yo, it's copying me. It says yo crystal clear. It's copying me my style. You hear how it says yo? Oh no, I guess you can't. Can you? Yeah. Yo. Bow wow wow wow. Okay, do I have any results? Q3 power was only 80% of our target due to friction and economic headwinds. Okay. So there we go. There, yeah. That was what, yo! So I think that's what I wanted to do. I'm happy. I'll go back. So I have, this little guy who's moving annual reports into my Pinecone. This little guy is moving transcripts into Pinecone. And then this AI agent is able to use these two Pinecone indexes as long-term memory. And I can gonna go through each one to say these are the goals for this particular customer. And I think I'll need to have an output as well. Like I might need to say tools like Google Spreadsheets, Google Sheets tool. Set automatically. Get row. Now you want to append a row. Append or update row. Document. Say goal reporter. Sheet. Let's create a new sheet for you. Sheet 2, bitch. What? Alright, I'm gonna go back and then enter go. To go in twice. Sheet 2. Map each column manually. Sure. Add option. Yeah, minimize API calls. Sure. Use your sheet has no gaps. Okay, and do I need to do anything now that I have a spreadsheet? Say, yo, now that I have a Google Sheet to append a row on the AI agent, do I need to set in the prompt to output the results to Google Sheets? Yo, solid move. No, you don't need to tweak the prompt for Sheets output. The AI agent's job is just split Sheen J. The Google Sheets node pulls from the previous node via expressions, no LLM, whatever. Okay, let's try it out, see what happens. So if I basically do this again, Execute. Does this create data here? No. It seems like I have more. Output results to Google Sheets. Okay, here we go. But that, okay, yeah, so here we go. But I'll need to do a better job like splitting this up or whatever. Isn't that neat? Yeah, so I think I'm almost like there, and like I'm gonna have to like on these gonna have to like split up. Like this is like a bad format type of thing. But like now that I have this, so basically this is what I'll use to create a presentation. And I was thinking of using Beautiful AI. Okay, professional presentations. AI presentations. Create professional time minutes with leading AI presentation maker. Beautiful. I wonder if I can just use, yeah. It's like I can just, how it works. Say goodbye, whatever. Start with AI or choose professional template to jumpstart your deck. Add your content. Yeah. Well, I'll see. I think I get like a free. Is there free? Okay, well I got a free trial for 14 days. I'm not gonna pay for it. Is there a free Beautiful AI, where I can, make presentations, with, I don't, because I already have the AI, oh yeah, with AI. It's okay. Yeah, I know there was a delay. Okay, let's go. Slides Go AI Presentation Maker. There we go. Let's check this guy out. Do you have an API though? That's the question. They need an API. Oh yeah, so what an API is, if you don't know what an API is like a bridge, or it's like it's a bridge for you to access their information that they organize for you. So it's like, oh, I set up an API that whenever you call this page, it's going to give you the weather in Toronto, as an example. And so it's like, oh, I give you a bridge to go to my website. Whenever you go to this page or you make this request, it's going to give you the weather, or like whatever it is. So yeah, you'll deliver information at that place. Presenton, fully free. Okay. SlideSpeak API. This looks good. SlideSpeak API. Free tier available. Yeah, so I'll give an example. So SlideSpeak integrate our API with generate presentation. Perfect. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And if you were to look at, if I go to the support, they would probably have what how their API, how it works. Pricing, free plan, 3 credits per month. Share presentations online, 4 to 8 slides per presentation. Okay, well, I guess this is just for a demo, so I don't really care. I'm not going to pay for anything. But I want them to have view help articles. Give me their API documentation. Okay, yeah. So they give you instructions called an API reference. So they give you a library. So whenever I want to, and they give you instructions for everything that I can do in SlideSpeak. So if I want to like retrieve all the presentations, you would use what's called a get call. And yeah, she will say, hey, I'm going to go to this URL. And whenever I go to this URL and I authenticate it's me, I'll be able to pull down like all my presentations. So here's my presentation, get the status of a task, get a short-lived URL, whatever. Or you can post. This is where you create stuff. Or I can delete something. There's a delete kind of method. So upload a document to use in order to generate a presentation. Generate a presentation from plain text or passing documents. Generate a presentation by specifying each slide individually. Insert, regenerate, or remove. So they have APIs, like they have specific URLs that you would use like via like integration specialist that I would do, and yeah, like so it's a way for another system to work with another, to talk with another system via this bridge, which is the API, to do all these tasks. So if I need to edit a presentation, but yeah, I'm just going to be creating a presentation. So I think I'm going to be using presentation generate. Yeah. And so here's the URL. So I would go to that URL. I would need to authenticate that like as me. And then I would give it whatever that information that AI agent kind of gave me with like those goals, or yeah, I'll like package it in a different way and saying, oh yeah, I want to create like a presentation. So I'll figure out, that'll be my next installment. What happened to my 80s mix? Night Drive. Yeah. Are you? I know how to read API documents because I've been doing it for many, many times. So I was just itching my leg. So that would end up happening faster than I thought. Yeah, no, I can play some games. Or yeah, no problem. It's very easy. Like what I would use. Oh, I should download because I don't think I have Postman on here. Do I? I do have Postman. How about it doesn't work? Yeah, I should oh. Well, I can't watch something without. Oh yeah, I guess I can like watch a YouTube. Yeah, maybe that's easier. Sorry, I'm just. Okay. Oh, what happened? Are you getting sleepy? So I don't know. I can like. Oh, what happened?
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. So this bike rider got super lucky.
So I don't know. Just random things.
For some reason his dipping sauce isn't working.
Маша, це я так сьогодні себе піднімала на роботу. Отак. Отак. І отак пішла.
So random. Yeah, anyway.
मैं तो सोचा 6 बजे निकल जाऊँ वो यार गाड़ी में पसंद लग गया
This guy got a drone to show what fireworks look like on a cloudy night.
That's pretty cool.
This poor squirrel got really dizzy.
Are you laughing at the mouse? The mouse that was like between the two.
This camera has a lens that spins really fast to keep snow and rain off of it.
Oh wait, my camera's
I have
covering.
never seen someone so greedy before. They were confused because it sounds like a lion roaring. This guy might be the fastest rapper at McDonald's. This is what it looks like to see every single bus and train
It was so
moving in
cute.
New York City every single day. This is what a time lapse of sleeping seals looks like.
What? They just plop.
Americans will never skip the allegations that all their homes and buildings are made of cardboard.
Proof. This is real life. Or maybe it is. It's not even real.
Ugh. That's freaky. Look at these dogs.
This guy only has one hand, but he can probably tie his shoes faster than you.
I'd still tie my shoes with the bunny ear method.
Want to start cleaning your baseboards, and this little.
I don't know what that was. Badminton? Yeah, they're playing with kazoos.
This police officer really wanted to go for a ride on his bull.
Can I pet Gus? I think I'm all right now. If I get on Gus and I fall off Gus, then I'm gonna get in trouble. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, dude, what in the world? Yeah, here, you take a picture on my phone.
It's like a mix between a donkey and a camel. Ah, fail. Damn.
I think this pigeon is very confused.
Did anybody else's dog take food from the bowl to another? I didn't mean to tell your business. My bad. I didn't think you were paying attention to me. My fault. Yeah, we
Is that a Labrador?
Let's walk away.
Someone spotted this guy changing the time in London.
Oh, did we?
This is what red sprite lightning looks like from space.
Hmm.
How is this dog so
All right.
อร่อยหูหมานี่ก็อร่อยอ่ะ
The Putu. The
She wanted to
Potu.
wake up her mom for her birthday. So I guess every single year, the Netherlands have a giant flower parade.
I guess it's very religious.
I hate this optical illusion so much.
What? Look at this dog. Look, is that a poodle?
Ain't no way.
I think that was a poodle. Maybe a toy poodle.
Ain't no way. How? How do you have this thing floating here?
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Yeah, that's what Daily Dose is good for. Just like make an entertainment. If it was so cute. I want to see that. I want to see that. Just the mouse again.
For some reason, this dipping sauce isn't working.
Yeah, how does that work? Did I miss the mouse?
Я так сьогодні себе піднімала на роботу, отак. Отак.
I think it's after this.
І отак пішла.
Ярву.
Sorry.
Idę potem na piach.
This guy got a drone to show what fire.
That was so.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This guy gave up on dating apps.
Oh, was that a
He's
hamster?
doing this instead.
I thought that was a mouse. Would you? Sorry. Are you sleepy? Okay. I could let you sleep. Okay.
There's a very charismatic dog and is wearing a diaper. These people found
That's what Andy did to my hallway.
Got him. Got him. I got him. He's coming down. He's coming down. Got him. I got him. Come here. Come here. I got him.
This guy was trying to light up his cigarette when the universe sent him a sign. The squirrel likes to bury his nuts in this person's hands.
That's cute. I mean, squirrels are cute.
I don't know how fast I'm going. I don't know the RPMs. I don't know how much oil's in the.
So why does this cat sound like a pig?
Where were Tanner's actual parents? They're all playing the new Call of Duty Black Ops 7. We're the replacers. So what?
It really doesn't get any closer than this.
Oh shit. What is that? Damn.
What's that sound? That's not a boat. It's a stampede!
Wow. That'd be cool to see. You idiot.
These people found a really thirsty squirrel.
It's thirsty. Do you want?
That's cute.
Al final ha quedado flan. ¡Ah! ¡Joder! ¡Enrique!
This baby's dad has an identical twin, and she was very confused.
I think I saw this one before.
So why does every house in this neighborhood look exactly the same?
Quite literally level 94.
It would be so weird to live in a place like that.
This floating bridge in China looks absolutely insane.
That's sweet. I never knew this something like this. That's cool. What the hell? This is like Mary Poppins? It's like
Where's Spider-Man?
Where was this?
This Olympic kite surfer was out practicing when he saw someone that was drowning. I found this really old video of this guy throwing boiling hot water off his balcony.
You can go to
It's
sleep if you're.
-41 outside.
Hello. What does that do? Oh, that's cool.
This guy made a drone that is solar powered. What's cool about this is that it can fly non-stop for hours as long as the sun is out.
Okay, take one. Hey, flying! Oh, it's a bit shaky, but it's flying.
This is what it looks like when a tiger needs to get a CAT scan.
Just need his head straight. What we can do.
These people died in a crash, and police weren't available to direct traffic, so a random guy in a Spider-Man suit showed up.
Is it a police officer, a firefighter, maybe? No, it's Spider-Man.
That's what Andy would do. He got so much energy.
Oh my god.
He left a ball up in a forest to see if any wild animals would play with it. This is how vets listen to the heartbeat of a snake using an ultrasound machine.
He's scared of squirrels.
I was recently in New Jersey, and this fire department let me go for a ride in their fire
What about
truck.
birds?
I learned that about 70% of all firefighters in the USA are volunteers and have other full-time jobs. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Wow, okay. He seems like he'll like, you know, he's very easygoing. But yeah, well, hope you're able to unwind after that. I'm sure a crazy day. I'm glad everything worked out, and sorry it was a scary evening. Yeah, same. Looking forward to tomorrow. Hope you have a very good, well, sweet dreams, great sleep. And looking forward to those treats. Oh, no, don't. No need to apologize. I'm glad, you know, whatever. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I wonder just because I took a long nap, so it might take me a while. But I'll be okay. Maybe I'll try to sleep at a good hour. Yeah, sweet dreams. I hope you have a great night. Thank you for hanging out. Yeah, good night. Oh, good night. Talk to the camera. Don't cop out for a racist and AI video. What was it? You're gonna come. Well, next time I come to the Oval Office, you better say it to my face. You better say it to my face.